you know, hi, the guy that you let on, with the coffee. Yeah. It's spilled on the seat back there, and he left it behind.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So and the floor is all messy now.
Oh no.
Okay, this is the correct way. When you get off the bus or streetcar or coming off the street,
take the other
you
bus.
enter the front of the subway station. Not to the side.
Remove it.
So right here, I'm walking through the front. I tap, I press the card, get through the gates, and I've entered. It reads that I probably got a transfer because I already paid on the bus.
Northbound.
Now here's the wrong example.
I hope it's running. I don't know. In 3 minutes. 3 minutes or 11 minutes. The bus is gonna come. I'm gonna go for a couple of stops north of here. It's not gonna be a long bus ride. And then we'll get off and walk. And then maybe hop on the streetcar. Then I have 45 minutes. 45 minutes. I'll walk in here for a minute. There's some. I came in through here and I paid.
You can't go that way and come back that way.
I was waiting here for this bus. What are you talking about?
Yeah, just don't step off the platform.
I did not step off the platform. I was standing here. I live in Toronto. I was raised here. I know the rules. Thank you. Don't assume. Don't accuse. Holy moly. Man. Seriously? Gee, are you the supervisor? It's like what the frig? I was standing there waiting for this bus. What a nut. Don't you scold me for nothing, dude. Did he really see me go off and I didn't even go off the friggin' platform? Like, what the heck is he talking about? Wanker. Wow, what a wanker. Wanker. Born and raised in Toronto, so I know the friggin' rules. I pay my way. I don't sneak on and piss me off right now. Jackass. Sorry, guys. Now you see a different side of me. Yeah. Oh, wanker. Wanker. Wanker dinker. Come on, bus. 2 more minutes? Where are you? Try to walk faster. Yeah, but then they let on this homeless dudes that spill coffee on the bus.
So subway service on a portion of Line 2 between Peel and St. George Stations will end tonight at 12 a.m. due to track work. Shuttle buses will run. Check TTC.ca for more information. Need help?
Is that your truck or that's?
About mental health services available here. There's safety and support for every customer. Learn more at ttc.ca/safety.
Randy, will you just stop with your comments for your peanut gallery? No. Just don't like it when these people that think that they have an authority to shoot off their mouth and accuse me of going off and on the platform. I didn't even freaking go off the platform. I entered and already paid on the bus. Coming through the subway and tapping proves that I paid. But this idiot, because he has a stupid uniform on, thinks he has the authority to accuse me of doing this. Idiot. It's not no. Put it this way, I've pretty much had enough of smart ass peanut gallery comments as well, and then I had to have this dude in a uniform shooting off his mouth. I did not, and then
are not permitted on the TTC. Please do not bring an e-bike or e-scooter into any TTC station or on board any subway, TTC.ca to learn more.
all right, where are you, bus? Oh, there it is, coming. Not this one, the other one is still over there, because all these Spadina buses are creating a backlog, because these stations are not designed for high volume. Check my, like, yeah, idiot. So you have to make a wide turn to come over. And then these cars are parked in the way. These parks, it even says no parking at any time, and they're blocking the buses to make a smooth turn. Wow. Right up to the curb. That's the, oh, it's a female bus driver.